This cam sensor is located on the passenger valve cover in the back here. And you're going to push that red tip back on the clip, and that unlocks it. And then push the tab and pull it off. And you're going to use a T30, Torx Bit 30. So make sure the screw, it doesn't come all the way out, but make sure it's loose like that. Now we know it's unscrewed, and you just pull up on it. So to reinstall, make sure the seal is seated nice inside that valve cover. Make sure the seal has no damage to it. And then we'll take the new one with the connector facing the firewall. It'll seat itself once it does. See if you can start this by hand. Take our T30. Here's a torque spec, so make sure you don't tighten it down too much. Being a sensor and with a gasket, it could be very sensitive. Don't over tighten. I'm just going to bottom it out. Get my torque wrench. We're going to torque this to 80 inch-pounds.